Hi, this is Matt Hug with Nonprofit.Courses, and here's a quick video to show you how to add a license or certificate on your LinkedIn profile. So, first thing you do is go to your main page of the LinkedIn profile, and I'm sure you know where this is. You go to Home. We'll do that here just to help you out. And you can see on the left-hand side your profile there. Just click on that. And here we are. And what you'll want to do is add right here, it says add profile section. If you don't already have the particular section up, this is where to start. So you click down on that and licenses and certificates. Showcase your expertise with your credentials. So hit the plus sign there. And you'll see here this form to fill out. And it's real easy to do. There's really not much to it. So you go to this page here. And if you're watching this video, you probably came from this page. So all you need to do is find, we'll set this up, the one of the courses here. So here's systematic fundraising for nonprofits. So you just take that, copy that, and drop it in here. And then issuing organization, all you need to do is just start typing in Nonprofit.Courses. And there we go, it comes up, so click on that. The credential does not expire, so you click that and it takes away those dates over here. And then the issue date, or the date that you attended whatever training it was. So you can find that right here if you'd like. So just put that in here. That particular training was August of 2019, and here we go. Great. Credential ID, there is no credential ID, so you can leave that blank. And then the credential URL, what you'll do is simply take the URL for this page, the one that you're pulling the other information off of, because you can see here's how you do it, but then below here is a listing of the events and activities that are eligible for this. So just take that and drop it in here, and there you go. And then you can either save it and add another, or just simply save. We'll just simply save here. And there you are. And scroll down a bit, and you will see, here's my experience. And here we go, licenses and certifications. And there you are, right there. So you can not only do it for the courses that I've been providing, but if you have other certifications and licenses, this is a good place to put it on your LinkedIn profile. All right, that's what we got for today. Go out there, add some of your Nonprofit.Courses material here, and have a great nonprofit.